The front of the Liberty Walk Silhouette R35 GTR is aggressive and commanding. Its reworked bumper, enlarged intakes, and sharp splitter make a bold statement, while the widened fenders emphasize its extreme stance. Comfort meets performance in the seats. Deeply bolstered racing buckets hold you firmly in place during high-speed runs, yet provide surprising support for longer drives. Alcantara and leather materials ensure a premium touch. The dashboard is clean and purposeful. A digital driver display delivers crucial performance data, while the central infotainment screen offers connectivity and navigation. Titanium switchgear and carbon trim finish the look. Under the hood, the GTR packs a heavily tuned 3.8L twin-turbo V6. With over 700 horsepower, it delivers savage acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note. From the rear, the Silhouette GTR is pure drama. An oversized wing, vented bumper, and wide-body diffuser signal that this beast means business.